Hi friends, welcome. Today's we see e-banking service and its beneficial of our life. E-banking is, in simple words, e-banking refers to banking arrangement with which the customer can perform various transactions over the internet, which is end-to-end encrypted, i.e., it is completely safe and secure. E-banking promotes paperless, cashless transaction. It is comes with a number of rights, responsibilities, and fees as well. The range of services covered under e-banking are: number one, internet banking, a banking facility provided to the customers through which the customers are able to perform a number of monetary and non-transactions using the internet through the bank's website or application. Number two, mobile banking. Almost all the banks have designed their mobile applications with which you can perform transactions at your fingertips. For this, four things are required: a smartphone, internet, mobile application, and mobile phone banking service enabled in your bank account. Number three, ATM, automated teller machine. Popularly known as ATM, is one of the most common and initial service provided under e-banking. It is not just a machine with which you can withdraw cash and when required, but it is also allows you to check your account status, transfer fund, deposit fund, changes mobile number, changes debit card pin, i.e. personal identification number. Number 4, debit cards. Debit cards are used in our day-to-day life so as to perform and number of transactions. Debit cards are linked to the customer's bank account, and so the customer's bank account only needs to swipe the cards in order to make payment at point of sale POS outlets, online shopping, ATM withdrawal. In this way, the amount is deducted from the customer's account directly. Number 5, credit card. Just like a debit card, a credit card is also a payment card which the bank issue to the customers and their request. After checking their credit score and history, it enables the cardholder to borrow funds up to the free approach limit and make payment. The limit is granted by the banks which issue the cards. The cardholder promises to repay the amount within a stipulated time, with, with some changes for the use of credit cards. Number 6, point of sale POS. Point of sales system refers to the point in terms of date, time, and place retail outlet where the customer makes a payment using a plastic card for the purchase made or service received. Number 7, electronic data interchange EDI. EDI is a new mode of communicating information between business electronically using a standardized format which was conventionally paper based. Number 8, electronic fund transfer EFT. When money is transferred electronically from one bank to another, it is called as a electronic fund transfer. It covers direct debit, direct deposition, wire transfers, NEFT, RTGS, IMPBS, etc. Benefits of e-banking. Number 1, it enables digital payments which encourages transparency. Number 2, it allows 24/7 access to the bank account. Number 3, it also sends notification and alerts to get updated with the banking transaction and changes in the rules. Number 4, it lowers transaction cost for the banks. Number 5, it is convenient and easily for customers as they are not required to visit bank branch every time. In a nutshell, any type of banking transaction performed through electronic mode comes under e-banking. It is a secure, fast and convenient electronic banking facility that allows its customers to undertake. Thanks for watching this video. I hope something helped for you.